Hello, welcome to RevelatorAlf. So I'm in the forest again. This is almost like part 2 of another ride. So basically, I've just ridden one big loop through these trees. Now I'm going to just take another route on the other side, almost take a straight line through it.
RevelatorAlf.
I mean, it's a glorious day. I think, I just wanted to come and ride it again. So what I'm going to do... Oh, look at that deer. Just went through the path. Amazing, beautiful. Let's just come here, yeah. Lovely. And the trail is fantastic. A little bit loose in places, a little bit damp in places, but I'm kind of overly describing it really. I mean, it's just absolutely fine. The front tyre does want to search a little bit at times. I'd say that the ground here is a little bit, in places, it goes from very hard to almost sand-like, a mixture of sort of sandy soil to rotting. Which way should I go? That way or that way? No, I'll go this way. To rotting kind of forest matter, and then it kind of mixing with a bit of hair, I don't know, whatever, but it's it's a bit of an awkward one, bit of an odd one really. Right, here we go, this is the one I was after. Right, so what I'll do, I'll go this way. Yeah, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. It really is fantastic. Amazing. I mean, look at these trees. Wow. Just try and keep the revs low a little bit. Try and be inconspicuous as I can. I mean, it's just beautiful here. Wow. Out of the sun into the shade. It's just fantastic. Beautiful. Look at this. It's just never ceases to amaze me what amazing adventures you can find, places you can see. Right, okay, let's have a look here. I can either go up this way. That's a way out. Let's just see where this goes actually, because there's a bit of a stump there. Is there an exit point here? Ah, there's a... Yeah, so what we'd do... So I think I can just carry on through this bit here. There we go. Amazeballs, as they would say. Alright, just follow the general path here a little bit. Yeah, this is nice. It's almost a little bit off-piste, I would say. Not totally. Got to watch out, there are some big stumps around here. So I'm just trying to avoid those a little bit. Beauty. Lots of squirrels I can see busying themselves here. Do you know what? I mean, look. Let me just stop this a minute. I mean, look at this. Just look. Wow. What a beautiful day. Beautiful forest. Well, I don't know, is it really forest? More like a wood, a very big wood. That's almost like a plantation over there. Beautiful. You know what this is? This is selfie time. Right. Lovely. On we go again. Yeah, lots of stumps. I mean, there's obviously forestry work going occasionally through here, but there are lots of sort of high stumps you're gonna watch out for as well. Tree roots. Now that sort of goes around there. Yeah, I know which way that goes. That goes out of it. I want to sort of... That's a way out. Let's just see about this one. Right, so this... that goes out to that bit there. Okay, yeah, I can see that's still nowhere, so we just go out down here. Beauty, lots of bluebells here, absolutely marvellous. Wow. Now, I'm just wondering, am I going the right way? I'm actually going the wrong way here. So I wonder if I sort of double back, or just take the easy route round. Let's go this way. Let's go cross country a little bit. See what happens. With these big adventure bikes, sometimes, especially if the log there, it's not, you could see it was going to bounce. You think you got quick purchase, you go over it, and then all of a sudden, you're landing awkwardly. So I'm a great believer in low-hanging fruit here. Yeah, I know. I've been through this before, I think. Camera's got caught on the... Yeah, hold on. Here we go, that's better. Right, just make sure the camera's still intact. I did take a bit of a clattering. Where does this go? So this route was more going to be off-piste, as it were. So I think I've come in from this direction from the other direction before, but never from this direction before. So I'm kind of trying to find my way through a little bit here and see how far I can get. Trying to avoid the low-hanging fruit here. Sometimes adventure riding, the best policy is just take the easiest route. I mean, you don't always have to stick to what you think is the right way to go. Do you know what I mean? Right, hold on. Yeah, so I've been through that before. I'm pretty sure I have. So what I'm going to do before I commit, let me just go and check this out. I can ride through that side. Yeah, it's just a bit unstable there. Actually, not too bad. Right, let's go and give it a go. Always good just to get off the bike and have a little walk through. I mean, obviously if you had a small enduro bike, all you would do is just You can't jump that, just lift it over. Obviously these big adventure bikes are a bit different proposition, you know. This is where you have to manhandle these things sometimes. Tyre gets caught on a branch. There we go, you need a bit of momentum. You know, a lot of this is momentum actually. Let's go this way. Beauty. And away we go. Yeah. Amazing. Oh. Yeah, just goes to show a little bit of manhandling and sometimes takes it out you. Right. Off we go. Ah, you see? So this is where I joined it. I came off that route there onto this route here. Beauty. It's absolutely amazing. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to see if there's a way there. I think there was a route on the other side. Let's go and have a look at that. It's hard to tell, really. Anyway, let's go this way. Wow. It just goes on and on and on. Just amazing. I know, I've got terrible video commentary when I'm riding through the forest because all I kind of say all the time is amazing and wow. But you know, this is less of about an instructional how-to video. This is more about just come ride along with me, come and experience it as I'm experiencing it as well. Okay, so there's a road. This goes down to a road, which I don't really want to go to, in all fairness. Let's see. Well, I think it's a road or it's a track, probably a farm track or something. Yeah, which I don't really want to get to if I can help. So what I'm going to do. Yeah. I don't want to do that, so what I'm going to do is double back, use gravity, always use gravity for you. There we go. Make life. So when I say gravity, just turn the bike uphill so it will naturally roll downhill so you're not having to manhandle it. When I had to get off that log, got caught on that log, that's why I had to get off the bike, because first of all I didn't have the momentum. That was my error there, and then it just getting caught up. So it's almost like trying to backpedal uphill. You know, you're just not going to do it. Let's have a look here. I think there's a route here. Let's see where this takes me. I think this is all over, isn't it? Oops. I don't think this is the same. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this life easier for myself here. Get off the bike. make sure that's stable. I'm just gonna there we go. I don't have to risk going over a log at an angle. That's the problem, it's at an angle, you see, or losing momentum, getting the rear wheel tyre caught. So this way, just move out of the way, go through. As I say, just try and pick the easiest route. You know, do things in easy. Look, there's no doubt doing it kind of harder, in inverted commas, you know, going over things, jumping things, is more fun. But what I'm saying is you don't have to do that. Right, back to where I came. And especially if you're having trouble with the bike, you're really tired, the bike is too heavy for the kind of stuff that you want to do, there's always ways to do it. There's always ways to get around it, you know. Beauty. Wow. It's been a privilege riding today. Absolute privilege. Been amazing. Really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it. I mean, this kind of light coming through the trees is outstanding, really. Wow. Lovely, lovely. Nice meandering trails here. Yeah, the front tyre and the rear tyre are both searching. I mean, I got the knobblies on as well, but they're both searching, you know, because I am trying to keep it, you know, sanitized as well, so I'm not hooning about the place. I mean, I've got to say that, so that's why. And I'm using very, very little momentum as well, so that's why I got caught on the log back there. Just bring my visor down a little bit just in case something flicks in my eye. And I got the sun visor down, but so here, right here, this is kind of very sandy, loamy soil, very soft, and that's when the bike is really starting to search. Yeah, here's a little bit of a 4x4 track, and back into a single. In all fairness, I don't think many. And this is sort of zigzagged with footpaths around here as well. So, but I was told it was completely open. So, you know, I'm going on that really by the locals. I mean, that's also, I think, you know, the locals, you know, it's not always gospel, of course, I know that, you know, but, you know, it can be good fun and could be a good source of information. Right, well, that's it. Absolutely loved. Ooh. Low-hanging branch again. Bugger. Well, absolutely love that. Absolutely fantastic. Brilliant. Well, I hope you enjoyed that too. As I say, I'm going to be getting on the road now, and I'll catch you on the next one, whenever that is. Cheers now.